Problems keeping the dust down when you sand? Then you might need a new dust bag. The dust bag assembly is made up of a mounting bracket that attaches the assembly to the sander, the cloth bag which filters dust out of the air, a mounting ring that allows the bag to be easily removed for emptying, and a spring that supports the bag for more effective dust collection. There are several spots on the dust bag assembly that can fail. In this video, we're going to show you what to look for so you can keep the dust down while using your sander. I'll remove the old bag from the sander, and it just pulls away. Now just take a second and point out some of the common locations that the sanding bag will fail. The fitting where it attaches to the sander will sometimes crack, and this can be caused by dropping the sander or hitting it against something. Sometimes it'll just break on its own after a lot of years of use. Where the bag attaches to the fitting, there's a couple of plastic clips that kind of lock the fitting in place, and those tend to break off over time. There's also an O-ring on the fitting itself, and if this O-ring is broken or missing, you'll get some dust leaking back and the bag may not fit tightly. Inside the bag, you'll notice that there's a spring, and over years of use, the spring can tend to wear through the bag in the back or up here in the front typically, and that'll cause it to leak. So these are just a few of the places you'd want to inspect on your bag to make sure it's in good condition. There's obviously not much to installing the new bag. I just slide it back onto the sander. I do want to make sure though that this O-ring here is in good condition so that I get a good tight seal between the bag and the sander, and I'll clean up any dust that might be there. So I'll go ahead and just slide the new bag onto the sander, and it's ready to go.